hi, and greetings of the day. My name is Ketan. I'm a hotelier and I'm a learning and development professional. Now, passion stems from your likes. It is something which not only gives you joy and pleasure, but it also leads to absolute fulfillment and achievement of a particular task that you're doing. And I think when I think in retrospect about my selection of career choice as hospitality and eventually to become a hotelier, I think it is more stemmed upon my likes eventually, and that was like around 20 years back. I have always aspired to be a hotelier, and it was not a very easy task at that time because compared to now at that time we did not have enough hotel schools. And so what happened was all those people who were really interested in making a career in hospitality, only those people went ahead and they got themselves admitted to that course. Uh, Having said that, it was not so very easy because I'm sure 22 25 years back when I was required to make a decision as to where I would want to head in my career, there was a lot of social hindrance as well. Speaking of the Indian scenario and the Indian mindset of the society, hoteliering or a career in hoteliering was always associated with certain cliched comments, and even I faced some of those comments from a few elders from my family. When I shared my decision that I want to become a hotelier, I was asked, uh, so what? Is this what your ambition is all about, to be a waiter and to clear soiled plates? And I think it, it, it definitely, I think I rallied against that mindset of people. And thankfully, my parents supported me, and that is how I got myself inducted into a hotel school. But again, what I feel is not just me, but the other batchmates, and not just from my hotel school, but overall at that time, anybody who was getting inducted into hotel school or taking a career in hoteliering, they were all very much passionate. Now I have been fortunate enough to be a part of HR team for a larger part of my career till up till now. And I have been working in India for around 12 years. It was only last 8 years that I have been working abroad. But having been in HR, having partnered with HR during selection process, be it industrial trainees or even during the annual recruitment drive, I think the one thing which strongly I felt, and very strongly noticed, is that over the period of time, people are taking hoteliering not as their career choice because they are passionate, because I think they feel it is more easier to get into hoteliering. And with this particular video, I really wanted to share that a career in hoteliering is not just because you do not because the cutoff percentage or the grade that we need, the cutoff grade that we need to get inducted into a hotel school is not very high as compared to medical or architecture or engineering. And I think people think it is more of an easier career choice, or the job involved is much more easier because all you need to do is probably for those who are aspiring to be a culinarian, they just have to cook, and for those who aspire to be in food and beverage service, they just have to serve, or those who want to go to housekeeping, they just have to clean the rooms. But I think it is much more than that. The real true hoteliering is all about serving a person. It's about that human touch, it's about that human contact. And I very strongly feel that the weakest batchmate, and again I'm not saying specific to my batch, but the overall batch that I have seen, because we used to interact with each other when we used to go for campus recruitment, for management training recruitment, I think the weakest link would also have been much more stronger than the strongest one in the current batch. And I think that really makes me think, and this question very strongly pops up in my mind is, are we losing the fine art of passionate hoteliering? Because currently what I see is people having taken up hotel, like I shared just now. They have most of the students, they select hoteliering because probably they do not get admission somewhere else, or probably because they think it's the easier of the lot, which is not the case. Because every interaction that you have with your guest is a unique interaction. It's not like you're sitting in front of a computer, you have a software program, and then you just add in the data and you get the results. Because although you have your inputs about how to deal a particular situation, you know what your job role is all about. Every time, even if you take an individual guest, that guest experience would definitely vary, and then the reaction of the guest. And it is very essential for each one of a hotelier to basically be on their toes and to have that particular knack in overcoming that situation, interacting with that particular guest, to give that person a wow experience. And overall, if I see the crop that we have, like I said, it is not so very passionate. But I think not all is lost, because I think big hotel chains and hotel brands, I think as a hotelier, the onus is on all of us. The onus is on me also. But I think rather than waiting for just one annual presentation when we go for campus recruitment, rather than just restricting ourselves to that, I think it is high time that we need to reach out to the common populace, so that we share with them what hoteliering is all about. Not that people are not aware, because most of the times people do get carried away by the glamour. There are a lot of television programs which are available. You see a lot of social content on social media, so people do get drawn to the glamour therein. Yes, the industry is glamorous, but there is a lot of hard work and sweat and a lot of dedication. And more than everything, I think for anything you need to succeed, you need an X factor, and that is an X factor. Passion is the X factor in hoteliering, which unfortunately is being lost over the period of time. And I think as responsible hoteliers, as certain hotel brands and chains can definitely make a difference. Then by waiting for the annual recruitment, they can make a point by going to the open field, stepping out of the industry, creating awareness of about hoteliering, the career prospects that hoteliering offers, providing a true real life picture, which will then assist or aid a person in choosing responsibly about their career choices, and especially taking hoteliering as a responsible career choice. The benefits would not be available immediately. The benefits would definitely take around 4 years, 5 years, but I think the benefits would definitely come, and it is us hoteliers who are going to reap the benefits, because the backbone of any hotel or the hospitality industry are its human capital. And if the human capital is not right, or if they are not passionate, there would be a tremendous vacuum of the right service or the right key deliverables that we strive to deliver to the guest. And I think that is something which we all need to be responsible and cohesively focused towards achieving that goal. Well, that's all from me. This is Ketan signing off, and I will see you again in some other video program. Have a pleasant day.